Here's Kongkant, who saw a lot of the ball in the first half. He's past one. Kongkant still. Mongwin. That's off the crossbar. Oh, that comes off a crossbar. Still alive here. Again against the woodwork. Double chance there for Malaysia. I think it was Safawi with the header. Now, are they going to have three up there? They're really, I suppose you'd have to say, might as well. A chance here. Oh, it's hit the upright. Oh, again, the woodwork denies Myanmar. Leng Chun. Corner here for Indonesia with less than 10 minutes to go. Oh, it's off the crossbar from Elkan Baggett. Went forward at the back in their first game against Myanmar, and then through the back, more on that in a short while. Waiting to pull the trigger here, Kongpong! And he makes it too! It's been a good 5 minutes for Vietnam. Tirasin managed to get that away. Look at where Narubatin is. Narubatin! Off the woodwork. For Elias Mesquita, quickly dispossessed by Safwan. It's a great ball to Shawal Anwar, who cuts inside, finds Iksad, who should finish here. Oh my word, he's hit the upright when it seemed easier to score. He can't believe it. Right, first time they really could pose a threat here, Thailand. Oh, that's a decent save by Hassan, but it goes in on the rebound. And incredibly, their first opportunity from Thailand. And they open the scoring through Elias Dola.